How do you create your first Webflow project, or at least how I'd do it? Well, once you're in the dashboard or have created an account and can make your first project, just click New Site, okay? You'll see this menu where you can use a template. If you select templates, there are some really good ones with preset design. The downside of templates is that they're often paid, like $79 or $130, you know? And the free ones are probably overused and not very original. We also have the option to start building from scratch, completely blank. I don't recommend it though. If AI can optimize your work, even if it makes mistakes, you can just delete those parts and you're done, right? So what are we building here? We're building a business, for example, okay? What's the name of the business? Let's say one-click tutorial, alright? Share some details about our business. Let's give an explanation. I've got the description. I'll just paste it, okay? I've asked for a website that sells AI automation courses like Make, an 8N, Zapier, etc. an About Us section and so on. Got it? Let's hit Next. We can choose the brand style and colors here. Not sure if I can configure them. Seems not. I'll let AI choose with a dark or black background. Since I asked it to suggest a palette, it should pick a dark background, right? Anyway, moving on. And then we've got the tone options. We can go with AI's suggestion or something catchier, you know? Maybe warmer, more explanatory, right? I'll let it, or even more technical. I'll leave it up to AI, okay? I like that idea. And primary color. Oh look, we can pick the primary color here. Let's see what AI comes up with on its own, shall we? It's generating now, as you can see, so let's wait. Wow, I'm not liking what I'm seeing at all. Well, if I scroll down, it gets better. If I scroll, oh my, what a color. Whoa, blue looks better, doesn't it? Blue's definitely better. Geez, what colors did it pick before? Let's check out this initial part, okay? I'd like to remove this drop down, but anyway, we've got here. Oh my goodness. Wow, it really put in the effort. We have the About Us section, blog, contact, support with contact info and FAQs, the courses section with different courses I mentioned, Make, an 8N, Zapier. It shows us the trends and history. I should note as a pro or con that many use this tool, but I've seen many AI tools with this menu, okay? Here it shows different pages. I'm not sure if it created several or what. We can also change the style by clicking on Swap Styles, okay? And there it rotates the style for me. As you can see, it just rotates the colors, doesn't do much else, okay? We can view it on tablet, mobile horizontal, and mobile vertical. Mobile vertical view has some issues, huh? Watch out, it's not working properly here, eh? Wow, the rest looks good. We just need to improve that part. So it's pretty good, right? We can change the font, sections, and more. Hit Start Building, and we can customize everything, okay? It's easy to customize things. Select them, and you can change all sorts of... It's like a typical design tool. You can modify text, transparency, and any element you select. To create a new layer, just select it, alright? We can use AI or simply add whatever we want. Want to add a pricing section? Just put it in, and it'll generate it for us. It's added the plans. We select them, and now we have the section in place. There we have it. It's that simple, okay? You can customize literally anything. Hope you enjoyed it. How can we use the Webflow editor to edit and build our site? Okay, so we have our site here. Can we publish it from here? Okay, we can change all of this. Right, here's the selected section, and here are the settings, interactions, and style. Here we have the color option. If we don't like this color, we can choose another. See? Or we can keep the existing one. Okay, if we click on pages, we can see the different sections or pages we've created. Let's see, we have the style page, password page. I think this is the login page. What else do we have? 404. That's for when a page errors, right? Page not found. There it is. We can create more pages. We have the browser and different components there. Well, in this case, there won't be anything on this page. Let's go to the home page. As it says in the home section, we have the body, which is the entire page. We have different sections. The navigation section is here. In the first section, we can modify the first container using the drop down. Okay, what are these containers used for? Basically, they're used to facilitate responsive design, okay? We have the second section, the third section, okay? And other sections. Here we can modify the general typography, button colors, images, and more if we're not satisfied. If we want to select and modify something like this choose your plan text, we double click, okay? Choose your service. I don't know, it's not ideal, but it shows you that it can be changed. And here's the configuration section, which we want to adjust a bit. Oh wait, this is the whole page. Hold on. We'd select the text, click on settings, and it'll let us make some changes. Alright, since it's an H1, we could change it to H2, for example, okay? If we wanted to change the color, we could do that too, got it? It's black now, but we can select it, click here, and set it to blue using our template. To change an image, we just select it, okay? Click on settings and we can swap the image by hitting choose image. Here we have width and height options, see? Everything's customizable, totally customizable. If we don't want to tweak design elements, we can head to the build section, okay? It simply lets us edit text. without moving articles or dealing with many settings or interactions, okay? If we want to set up interactions like in the nav menu when we hit edit and select the blog section, right? It gives us the nav link, see? Here we put the page ID we want it to link to. We haven't built it yet, but when we do, clicking blog would take us there. It's invisible now, but we can hide it if we don't want it, okay? This doesn't work yet, we just add the link or interactions here, got it? So when you click, it does something or takes you to a page, alright?